In this video, you can learn how to write the structure and name the hydrocarbons. We know there are three different types of hydrocarbon. Depends upon the number of bonds present. If it has single bond or double bond or triple bond, they are classified into three different categories. If it has the hydrocarbon is having only single bond, then we can call it as alkanes. If it has double bond, at least one double bond between the carbon and carbon, we can call that as alkene. If there is a triple bond in between a carbon and carbon, at least one triple bond, then it is called as alkyne. The general molecular formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Here CnH2n. Here for alkyne it is CnH2n minus 2. So these are the general molecular formula we can use for alkane, alkene and alkyne. Now the N I have already told you that merely a number. 0. Here we are not using 0. 1, 2, 3, etc. So now let us substitute N is equal to 1, 2, 3 like that, and we can write the formula and give the name now. Now let us take the alkane. The first one, that is, what is it? Cn. So we can substitute CnH2n plus 2. Here now I am going to write N value is equal to 1. If N is equal to 1, what is going to happen? So substitute C1H2 into 1 plus 2. So it becomes now C 2 plus 2, 4. So the first one is CH4. Now let us write the structure for that. How can we write? Only one carbon is present. And how many hydrogen do we have? 4. So here we can write one hydrogen. Here we have one hydrogen. Here one and here one. So this is the structure of CH4. So how can we give the name? Already in the last video I have told you, if it has only one carbon, it starts only with meth. And then here we are writing it for only alkane. Alkane only have CnH2n plus 2 formula. So we can also simply add ANE. So now the name of this compound. The name of this compound is now methane. Now like that, this is for the first one. Now let us go to the second one. That is, we are going to substitute C is equal to, that is, we are writing N is equal to 2. That is your number of carbons. C is equal to now 2. Okay, now substitute it for the same alkane now. C2H2 into 2 plus 2. So we have now C2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So C2H6. Now let us write the structure for this. One carbon, here we can write the second carbon. How many hydrogen do we have? 6. In between, now we can put a bond like this because there is a bond between one carbon with another one. So now let us write one hydrogen, second hydrogen, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So here you can check only all the position we have only single bond. There is no double bond here. So here also in between carbon and carbon we have only single bond. And then here how many carbon do we have? 2. So if C is equal to 2, it starts only with eth. ETH. And we are writing it only for alkane. So here we can add ANE. So what is the formula of this? What is the name of this compound? Ethane. Shall we write the third one? Yes, that is for the N is equal to 3. So we can write C3H2 into 3 plus 2. So here C3, 2 into 3 plus 2, that is H8. So how can we write now? First let us write only carbon. 1, 2 and 3 carbon. We can write the bond here. So carbon is over. Now how many hydrogen do we have? 8. So let us start. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost everything is over. You can check the tetravalency of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now let us give the name. How can we give the name? Here C is equal to 3. So C3. Meth, eth and here you have that is prop. So we can write prop plus alkane only we are writing propane. So what's the name of this one? Propane. So this is the method how to write the structure as well as the name of the hydrocarbon. That is here we learned only the alkane.